Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2005 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. Look at the truth table given. The Boolean expression for the truth table shown is, what is the Boolean expression for F for this truth table? A, B, C are going to be inputs, F is the output. Okay, and here you can write these are going to be minterm equivalent, so that it is M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. This can be minterm or max term, that we can write. So this is going to be done in two ways, that is by using product of sum, otherwise sum of products also. So first we will go with sum of products. Okay, so case 1, that is nothing but first method. First method is nothing but simple SOP expression. We can write F is equal to sigma m of which minterms are going to be having logic 1 outputs, that will be gets ORed, that is nothing but sum of products expression, SOP expression. By using SOP expression we are going to do this one. So look at the F column. In this F column it is going to be 1 for M3 and 1 for M6. So sigma m of 3 comma 6, sigma m of 3 comma 6, and F is function of ABC. 3 is nothing but 0 1 1, 0 1 1 is nothing but A bar BC, plus 1 1 0 is nothing but ABC bar can be written. So that is 3 6. 3 implies nothing but, think in this way, with the help of 3 variables you are writing 0 1 1 and it is 1 1 0, so that it is A bar BC plus ABC bar. From this one F is equal to, if you take common B at that time, you will get it as A bar C plus AC bar. But this expression is not there, so we are modifying this expression like this. This term you will get A bar C plus AC bar, you will get whenever you are multiplying A plus C and A bar plus C bar. Multiply this one, A plus C into A bar plus C bar, you will get this A bar C plus AC bar. So the right answer is nothing but A. Okay, and now we will go for the second method. Second method is nothing but with POS expression. POS expression, POS, product of sums. So F can be written, the same expression you can get with the help of POS form also. POS is nothing but product of max term. So this is product pi m of 0 1 2 4 5 7. So if you are going with this one, at that time you are going to get sums. Okay, the minimized sums are going to be gets producted later. Okay, so by that time we will go with this 3 variable K map over here. This is 3 variable K map, which will be consisting of 8 cells. So this is A and it is BC. This is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 and it is 0 1. For POS expression, remember that one. Okay, 0 implies nothing but it is true value, whether it is A, B, C. True value implies nothing but 0, 1 implies nothing but complement. Okay, whereas in SOP 0 implies nothing but complement, whereas 1 implies nothing but true value. It is exactly opposite. 0 implies true value, 1 implies complement in POS. So now we will substitute the zeros, corresponding zeros in this K map. So the corresponding zeros are going with 0 1 2. So 0 1 2 is nothing but 0 1 and it is 2. Next 4 5 7, this is 4 5 and 7 is nothing but this one. So these are the things 0 0 0 0 0 0. So now if you are going to combine, these 4 can be combined, and what you are going to get is nothing but simply 0 you are getting. B is equal to 0. 0 implies nothing but here it is true value, so you will get it as B. The sum term what you are going to get is nothing but b. That is, you can assume that one. This is first sum term you will get. Sum term is equal to 0. 0 implies nothing but true value of b. That is b. Next sum term you will get like this. Okay. The next sum term is nothing but by combining these two things you will get s2. Second sum term. Second sum term is going to be a is equal to 1. That is 1. 1 you will get. That is nothing but a bar plus c bar, because 1 is common, and here also c is equal to 1 is common, but 1 implies nothing but complemented, so that a bar plus c bar is second term, second sum term. Third sum term is nothing but like this you can go with. These two if you add, if you are minimizing, at that time sum 3 you will get. Sum 3 is nothing but here a is a0 and c0 is nothing but this is a plus c you will get. So now f can be written as product of sums, that implies nothing but sum 1 multiplying with sum 2 multiplying with sum 3. So sum 1 is nothing but b, sum 2 is nothing but a bar plus c bar, sum 3 is nothing but a plus c. So you will get the same expression as above. Okay, so the answer for this one, either you can go with either POS form or you can go with the same with SOP form. You will get the same answer. That is, the right answer for this question is A itself. Thank you.